Hey there, welcome back to the Compare the Carry channel, your guide for all things related to vehicle transport. Now, if you're planning to move a travel trailer, you might be wondering how to ensure it's prepared properly for the journey. You're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the steps to prepare your travel trailer for safe and efficient transportation. Let's jump right in. Before you even think about hitting the road, take a good look at your trailer. Why? Because knowing the current state of your trailer can save you from potential disputes later on. Grab your camera or smartphone. Photograph every nook and cranny, especially areas with pre-existing damage. This isn't just a precaution, it's peace of mind. Think of it as a visual insurance policy. All right, let's head inside. Loose items can shift, break, or even damage the interiors of your trailer during transportation. Make sure everything from your kitchen utensils to your favorite throw pillows is securely stowed away. Close and lock all windows and doors. You don't want a rogue gust of wind causing havoc, right? Utilities. Vital when you're camping, but not when your trailer's on the move. Carefully disconnect each utility. Power, water, sewer, the works. Roll up cables and hoses and ensure they're stored in a place where they won't get damaged or cause harm. The foundation of your trailer's journey. These round guys right here. Examine your tires closely for any signs of wear, and don't forget to ensure they're inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. Properly maintained tires are crucial for safe transport. Just as we secure the inside, the outside demands attention too. Retract and secure awnings, antennas, and any other extendable features. Every latch, every lock, every hinge, ensure they're all tightly secured. Communication on the road isn't just about honking. Your trailer's lights speak volumes. Get a friend or use a reflective surface to ensure your brake and signal lights are functioning correctly. It's all about safety. A simple yet crucial step: lock up every door, every compartment. Investing in high-quality locks is always a good idea. This will help deter theft and ensure compartments remain closed during transport. Last but by no means least, the weight check. An overloaded trailer can lead to numerous safety concerns. If you can, get your trailer weighed to ensure you're within safe limits. Balance is key. All this preparation is paramount, but who you trust to move your trailer, that's equally crucial. Compare the Carrier connects you with trusted professionals in the transport sector. Peace of mind, always go with the pros. We're here to ensure your trailer's journey is as smooth as can be. There we have it. Preparing your travel trailer for transport doesn't have to be overwhelming. With these steps, you're setting yourself up for success. Thanks for joining us today, and if this guide proved useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share with fellow travel enthusiasts, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more expert insights. Until next time, happy RVing. Compare the Carrier, compare to save.